Good, mate. I'm just collecting ketchups and HP sauces.
Excellent. So you've come away quids in.
Yeah, it cost me a load in fuel, so I thought if I keep some of these, quids in.
Excellent. Right. Nice one. Hi guys, Tab here, hope you're all keeping well. Currently in a strange place called Ettington at an event called Caffeine Machine, where lots of motoring aficionados hang out and point and look at cars. There is a huge collection here today. I've come up with a couple of friends. One is Mr. H Cars. See him over there also doing some filming. Hello, it's like the Matrix. A wormhole in a wormhole. And yeah, really nice cars today. I've seen some very nice motors, some interesting colours too. So I think what we'll do is take a little look around at some of these and see what's going on. Hello Martin.
Bonjour.
How's it going? Okay, one of the cars I wanted to show you today that I love is, of course, this car here, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6. This one in white. I actually owned one of these back in 2002, and it's still by far the most expensive insurance I've ever paid for a car per year, which was about $2,200 a year for a nice old blue one of these. Absolutely amazing car in its day. Still is, I think. Looks brutish, kind of really solid wooden suspension, which is exactly what you'd expect, but absolutely stunning, great fun to drive, and really holding their value now. So if you've got one of these, hold on to it by all means. So let's take a quick look around it. Massive whale tail on the back there. It's adjustable as well. You can actually adjust the angle of it for more downforce manually, of course. Nothing was electric in those days, but this one is in really nice condition. So I think it's T-Reg. If it's not a personalised plate, that's going to be around about 99-ish, I think, I want to say. Very cool wheels there, but lovely cars, great fun to drive. And if you get the chance, the answer is do it. Okay, for those few of you that watch the channel, as you know, I am pretty tall, 6'6", but there's somebody here who's even taller than me. That is Will, Mr. Too Tall to Drive. So
hello, how you doing?
Notice how I'm panning up a little bit there to get you.
Yeah, 6'7".
TPPs, as I call them. Tall person's problems.
Yeah, okay, right, I'm with you.
We both have the same issue with cars, and that is fitting into cars, especially small, fast, fun sports cars. I've struggled myself with the R8 Spider specifically. I just do not fit. I cannot make it work. So, Will, your experiences on cars that you don't fit in. What's the most heartbreaking? What's the biggest?
Okay, the biggest might have seen my channel as well, but my ideal car was an Alpha 4C, but it just didn't fit. I tried, and to be honest, it's my dream car, and even with my current car, I will still admit, if I get a 4C and I can fit in it, and if I could afford it, I'd just strip it out and actually just sit on the floor, but I just didn't fit. So yeah, I was absolutely heartbroken, had to move away from that. I actually have an F-Type now, and I do have to compromise a little bit, and I think you'll agree that, yeah, just over there.
Right over there. Lovely car. I've always loved the F-Type. Love the shape of it.
Yeah, V6 380. But yeah, I have to compromise a little bit, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad, but yeah, it is heartbreaking for us. And the annoying thing as well is, for me, not many people lend me cars or let me allow them to go and cars. So when they're like, oh, do you want to buy the car? I'm like, I need to drive it first to see if I fit. And they're like, oh, we don't do that. And I'm like,
yeah.
How am I meant to get that? And
I've been in that situation before where I've been able to get myself into a car, and then after about 20 minutes of driving it, it's kind of like you have to accept it's not working. Your necks get a creak in it, you can't access the pedals properly, or your knees are up around the steering wheel, it just doesn't work. So yeah, the struggle for tall people is real. Trousers and cars, it's for real. Yeah. Right, let's see if we can get you into the trans. Yeah, well, you fit in there. I've got everything right back in here. So let's
give us the best chance, and I'll take everything out of my pocket.
Right, this is a
stretch as well on the jeans, or else we'll.
A tall person trying to fit into a McLaren.
How do I?
That's the trick. Just under there's a little rubber thing. Yeah, got it.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, just come on the other side.
I'm amazed. I mean, you would have been. I'm intimidated by this already. In terms of getting feet dry.
Don't worry about it. Just get yourself in. Oh. Yeah. So already having to fold himself up.
Right.
How's that working out for you?
To be fair, headroom is actually pretty good. I've got space. My legs are underneath the steering wheel, which for me is a big win. Obviously this leg lies flat. It's pretty good. Yeah, I could sit with that.
So the question is, can you reach the brake with your right foot comfortably?
This is BBC Radio.
Yeah, not too bad at all.
It's easier, I find, with your left foot in this.
Yeah, I was going to say, I instantly moved over my foot to the left, but I'd probably stop quite suddenly if I did that. And now I'd be quite
but your head is sort of quite far up underneath.
I've got loads of space, to be honest. Even with the suspension, I'm probably with a bit of bounce. I'll turn down.
Yeah, sure.
I don't want to get copyright or anything. But yeah, no, I've definitely got the space.
Good.
Lockdown haircut might not have been quite as ideal, but yeah, with the trim, it's definitely back on.
Nice.
But yeah, no, beautiful.
Good. So you've heard it here live. Will's just put an order in for a 570S.
Yeah,
excellent.
I wish.
Nice one. Cheers, Will.
Cheers, mate. Oh,
and out you get.
Perfect.
And then this here, the birch green 74 plate Targa, absolutely beautiful in this colour. So cool. Apparently unique to the 74 year, and this may look familiar, this element here, you see this on the new Targas as well. They've copied this through. Absolute classic design feature, part of this car that I really love. But just look at that, absolutely stunning. And there's proud owner.
Yeah, but that was
and of course the daddy of all Hondas here, the NSX 90s classic V6 engine. Absolutely stunning example, very nice indeed. Rear engine, lovely bit of kit. Lovely car here, E92 M3 with some competition features as well. Absolutely lovely, nice kind of pearl white colour, classic. Mid noughties for this car onwards. Great fun, but you've got to work that engine to make it do its thing. Nice double helping of Fiat Abarth there. Great fun, tiny car. Look at the footprint of that, really small. Basically a shoe with a set of wheels. Very nice cars. And currently home of VTEC right here. Integras and Type Rs. Apparently Honda never had a VTEC engine back through any failure. I'm sure there's people out there who'll tell me otherwise, but that's what I hear.